Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see about the AIBE questions part 2. Question number 51. A debtor owes several distinct debt to the same creditor and he makes a payment which is insufficient to satisfy all the debt. In such a case, a question arises as to which particular debt the payment is to be appropriated. Which section of the Contract Act provide on answer to this question? Correct answer option A, section 59 to 61. Next question. Question number 52. What property cannot be transferred under section 6 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882? Correct answer option D, all of the above. Next question. A transfer of property of which he is the owner to be in trust for A and his intended wife successfully for their lives, and after the death of the survivor for the eldest son of the intended marriage for life, and after his death for A's second son, can the interest so created for the benefit of the eldest son take effect? Correct answer option B, answer no. Next question. The commencement of arbitral proceedings is not dependent on interim relief being allowed or denied under Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 Supreme Court, in which case held to? Correct answer option A. Fim Ashok Traders and another versus Gurumukh Das Saluja and others. Next question. Which provision of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 deals with conciliation? Correct answer option B, section 23 class 2. Next question. Which section under the CPC 1908 deals with the settlement of disputes outside the court? Correct answer option C, section 89. Next question. Equal pay for equal work can be enforced through? Correct answer option B, Article 14 and 16 of Constitution of India. Next question. The executive power of every state shall be so exercised as to ensure compliance with the laws made by Parliament and any existing law mentioned under? Correct answer option B, Article 256 of Constitution of India. Next question. Justice Ramanathan committee relates to? Correct answer option B, creamy layer. Next question. Original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court is dealt under? Correct answer option C, Article 131 of Constitution. 61. Law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts mentioned under? Correct answer option D, Article 141 of Constitution. Next question. According to the theory of social utilitarianism as propounded by Ihering, correct answer option D, law is a means to social ends. Next question. Obstructing public servant in discharge of his public function is a? Correct answer option B, bailable offence. 64. Compensation to victims of crime under criminal law relates to? Correct answer option D, section 357. 65. What person may be charged jointly and tried together under section 223 of CRPC? Correct answer option D, all the above. Next question. Contravention of Contract Labour Act would not create employment relationship between contract labour and the principal establishment. It was so held in which case? Correct answer option A, SAIL vs National Union Waterfront Workers. 67. The principal regulator envisaged under the Trade Unions Act 1926. Correct answer option C, Register of Trade Unions. 68. A teacher is not a workman falling under the category of workman under Industrial Dispute Act 1947. This was upheld in which case? Correct answer option A, Miss A. Sundarambal vs Government of Goa, Daman and Diu and others. 69. The type of disarmament envisaged under the Employees Compensation Act that reduces the capacity to work in any employment similar to that the worker was performing at the time of accident is referred to as? Correct answer option A, permanent partial disablement. Question number 70. The contribution payable under the ESI Act in respect of an employee shall comprise of? Correct answer option D, contribution payable by employer and employee. Question number 71. Which provision under the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 guarantees the right of workman laid off to claim for compensation? Correct answer option C, section 25C. Next question. Natural law is the idea that. Correct answer option A, there are rational objective limits to the power of legislative rulers. Question number 73. H.L.A. Hart's name is associated with the book. Correct answer option B, the concept of law. Question number 74. Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 deals with? Correct answer option A, restitution of conjugal rights. Question number 75. Daughter is acquitted with the son with reference to joint family property under? Correct answer option D, Hindu Succession Act Amendment Act 2005. 76. Mubara at under Muslim law refers to? Correct answer option C, dissolution of marriage under with mutual consent. Question number 77. The discriminatory aspects of Section 10 of the Indian Divorce Act, now Divorce Act, was removed by substituting new section by the? Correct answer option A, Indian Divorce Amendment Act of 2001. Question number 78. Trading activities of a company were stopped temporarily in view of the trade depression with an intention to continue the same. When the conditions improve, a petition was preferred into the tribunal for winding up of the company. The correct answer option A, the petition is liable to be dismissed. Question number 79. Amalgamation of companies in national interest is dealt under? Correct answer option C, section 396 of the Companies Act. Question number 80. Under section 171 of the Companies Act, a general meeting of a company may be called by giving a notice in writing for not less than? Correct answer option A, 21 days. Question number 81. A private limited company limits the number of members to? Correct answer option B, 50. Next question 82. Contributory negligence means? Correct answer option A, the failure by a person to use reasonable care for the safety of either of himself or his property. Next question 83. Where an enterprise is engaged in a hazardous or inherently dangerous activity and harm results to anyone on account of an accident in the operation of such a hazardous or inherently dangerous activity, resulting, for example, in escape of toxic gas, the enterprise is strictly and absolutely liable to compensate all those who are affected by the accident, and such liability is not subject to any of the exceptions which operate versus the tortious principle of strict liability held in the case of? Correct answer option B, Steeram Food and Fertilizer case. Question number 84. A tort is a civil wrong for which the remedy is an action for unliquidated damages and which is not exclusively the breach of a contract or breach of a trust or breach of other merely equitable obligation. Whose statement is this? Correct answer option B, Salmond. Next question under section 20 of the Motor Vehicle Act, if a person is convicted of an offence punishable under section 189 of the MVA, the court shall ordinarily order for? Correct answer option D, disqualification under the act. Next question, Consumer Protection Act was brought into operation in the year of? Correct answer option B, 1986. Question number 87. Under Consumer Protection Act, the jurisdiction of a district forum should not exceed rupees. Correct answer option D, 20 lakhs. Next question. The second principle of rule of law of AIBE relates to? Correct answer option B, equality before law. Question number 89. If a quasi-judicial authority violates the principle of natural justice, the appropriate writ would be? Correct answer option D, certiorari. Question number 90. A seven-member bench of the Supreme Court unanimously struck down Class 2D of Article 323A and Class 3D of Article 323B of the Constitution relating to tribunal which excluded the jurisdiction of High Court and Supreme Court. The court held that the power of judicial review over legislative action is vested in the High Court under Article 226 and in the Supreme Court under Article 32. This is an integral part of the basic structure of the Constitution. Name the case. Correct answer option A. L. Chandrakumar vs. Union of India. Next question. Accepting any other satisfaction other than the performance of originally agreed is known as. Correct answer option D. Accord and satisfaction. Next question 92. Where two parties have made a contract which one of them has broken the damage which the other party ought to receive in respect of such breach of contract should be either such as may fairly and reasonably be considered arising naturally, that is according to the usual course of things from the such breach of contract itself, or such as may reasonably be supposed to have been in the contemplation of the parties at the time they made the contract as the probably result of breach of it, in which the case the principal was down. So correct answer option D. Halley vs. Baxandley. Question number 93. When a misrepresentation has been made, what are the alternative courses open to aggrieved? Correct answer option D. All of the above. Next question. A solicitor sold certain property to one of his client. The client subsequently alleged that the property was considerably overvalued and his consent was caused by dash. The court considered the relationship between the parties to reach the decision. Correct answer option C. Undue influence. Question number 95. The law of contract is intended to ensure that what a man has been led to expect shall come to pass, that what has been promised shall be performed. Whose statement is this? Correct answer option C. Anson. Question number 96. Intention not to create a legal obligation was clear from the conduct of parties which among the popular cases deals on the topic. Correct answer option A. Balfour vs. Balfour. Question number 97. According to the Indian law, in a lawful contract consideration, correct answer option B. May move from promisee or any other person. Question number 98. Raghav owes Murli rupees 10,000. This debt is time barred by Limitation Act. Even then Murli promised him writing to be Raghav rupees 4,500 an account of debt and signs the document. This contract is correct answer option B. Option A. Enforceable. Question number 99. An agency can be terminated by. Correct answer option D. Question number 100. Which type of laws are not covered by a contract of indemnity? Correct answer option A. Laws arising from the accident like fire or perils of the sea. Thanks for watching this video. All the best for your examination.